So guys, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar charts, and as you can see today, we've had some very positive developments here in the gold markets. We've just moved above the 50-day EMA, so we are now trading above the 50-day EMA at 1906. We are now moving towards the higher level of this blue consolidation rectangle, which I've drawn on your graphs here. This is where we've just been building a base around that 50-day EMA, which is typically a very bullish sign. We're just waiting for that next catalyst to give us enough momentum to push us back up towards all-time highs, trading back above 2,100. And, just before the end of the year, I do expect gold to be trading, at or above $2,300. I'm very bullish here. I just think we need a second steamer steel. As soon as we get news about second steamer steel, gold rallies, and I'm talking $100 to $300 within a couple of days. I am really bullish here. I don't think gold has ever looked better from a fundamental perspective. I don't think it's ever looked better from a technical perspective, and especially now that we're trading above the 50-day EMA, that tells me that the bulls are now in control of this market. Of course, we have the US election today. It's going to be very interesting to see who wins. There's a lot of arguments that, if Biden does win and then Trump appeals it, that could give strength to the US dollar. So do be wary of that for the gold buyers here. Personally, I don't really care who wins tonight. Whether it's Biden or Trump, I think the stock market goes up, and as well as that, I think we eventually get the second steamer steel. So I see the US election kind of as a barrier, but as soon as we can overcome this barrier, this obstacle which is in our way, that's when we get back to the negotiations of a second steamer steel. And once that is done, gold I do expect to rally because it will damage the demand for US dollar, and with gold being the reserve currency, that is very good news for the gold markets here. So I am a buyer of gold, no interest in selling. There are some really fantastic money-making opportunities ahead of us. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, if you are new to trading, it's very important that you trade under someone else's guidance just to get started with, to help you through these very volatile and choppy times. So it would be a pleasure to have you on our Signal team, as I am forecasting some great money-making opportunities ahead. But that's it for the gold markets here. I'm a buyer, no interest in selling. Look for a rally very soon here in the gold market.